Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating your Flutterwave business account and completing KYC so payments flow smoothly. Once done, choose an integration method. Check out for quick setup, payment links for invoices, or direct API/SDK for custom flows, because your choice affects development and UX. Next, obtain both test and live API keys. Keep the secret key private and rotate it if compromised. Make sure to set business details and webhook URL early so callbacks can be tested immediately. You implement the integration by installing the SDK or calling REST endpoints directly. Pick the language SDK that matches your stack to save time. While coding, handle customer redirection, server-side charge creation, and webhook endpoints to process payment status. Validate signatures to prevent spoofing. Once your code is in place, use test mode to run sample transactions and simulate failed charges so you understand retry logic and user messaging. Make sure logs capture request and response payloads for debugging. You go live by replacing test keys with live keys and performing one low-value transaction to confirm routing and settlement. Once live, monitor the dashboard for disputes, refunds, and settlement schedules so you keep cash flow predictable. Reconcile payouts against your bank statements daily and enable 2FA and IP restrictions for the account. If something breaks, check webhook delivery logs and signature validation first. Then retry the webhook or contact support with the transaction reference so they can trace the event quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.